Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change color contrast settings in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. This initial step is important because you need your system to be completely ready before you can access any settings. Just give it a moment to boot up completely and reach your desktop. Once your PC is ready and you're on the desktop, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Locate the Windows Start menu icon and click on it to open the Start menu. From here, you'll need to access the Settings application, so go ahead and type Settings into the search bar that appears. Once you see the Settings option show up in the results, press Enter on your keyboard. The Windows Settings menu will now appear on your screen. This is the central hub for all your system configurations. From the options available, click on Ease of Access. This section is specifically designed to help customize accessibility features on your computer, making it easier for users with different needs to interact with Windows. After clicking on Ease of Access, take a look at the left-hand menu panel. You'll see various accessibility options listed there. Scroll through this menu until you find High Contrast Settings and click on it. This feature is particularly useful if you need to increase the visual distinction between elements on your screen, making text and interface components easier to see and read. Now you'll be on the High Contrast Settings page. Here, you'll see a toggle button at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click this toggle to turn on High Contrast mode. Once you do this, you'll notice that the Choose a Theme drop-down menu becomes active and clickable. You might see a brief Please Wait screen appear as Windows prepares and applies these settings, so don't worry if there's a short pause. This is completely normal and means the system is processing your changes. Once the settings have finished loading, click on the drop-down menu under Choose a Theme. You'll be presented with a list of different high-contrast themes, each offering its own unique color scheme designed to improve visibility and reduce eye strain. Browse through these options and select the theme that works best for your needs. As soon as you select a theme, Windows will immediately apply the new color contrast settings across your entire system. And that's it! You've successfully changed the color contrast settings in Windows 11, giving your display a more accessible and comfortable visual appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.